Hello fellas, welcome back to Attiration. Today I have some exciting news for all of you. Now you can watch and learn Clo 3D anytime, anywhere. And no, I'm not talking about these regular classes. I'm talking about our Clo 3D Beginners Private Course. Yes, you heard me right. A online course just for you. It will be available in form of video like this one. And to join this course, all you have to do is to apply for it by using the link available in our description below. And after the confirmation mail, you can learn anytime, anywhere for 30 days straight. How cool is that? And that's not all. We will also provide you a certificate under our name after you pass a simple test which will be related to the topics we will teach you during the course. So what are you waiting for? Apply for it as soon as possible and become a Clo 3D expert in no time. This is all for the news. Now let's go back to our class where we are going to learn sequence embroidery. This is going to be really interesting, so open your Photoshop first and I will let you know what you have to do. Till then, let me play my intro. Sequence comes in a variety of shapes and size. You can check them out right on your screen. They look amazing, right? So will be our design, a heart-shaped sequence embroidery. You can create any other shape too. All you have to do is to follow the same steps accordingly. I am going to create single sequence first. Then I will do further embroidery. So before making one, let me tell you how a sequence is measured. So the outer diameter of the sequence is measured like this one is 10 mm in size. Similarly, you can measure it and buy the size you need from the market. I am creating a simple circular sequence and for that I need to open a new document. I am going to create a 10 by 10 mm file for this. Our file is ready. Now we have to create our shape. I am going to make it with the circular selection tool. But you can use your favorite tool to get it done. I am going to make it big enough to touch the sides of my file. Now we need to fill color in it. I am going to make it red because red is a color of love and passion. I am going to make another copy of it by using Ctrl+J so that we can resize it later to punch a hole in our design. This size seems fine, so I will change its color to black. It needs to be adjusted again, so let me do that. Don't punch a hole onto your sequence until you are happy with it. Now we are good to go. I will delete this selected area from our shape. Now we have to paint over it like a thread is used to stitch it with our garment. We can draw 2 or 3 lines here. I will be using the same color thread but a little darker than it. Select your brush tool and use the shift key to draw a straight line. Tap once and tap again while pressing the shift key. Keep your stroke a little out so that it can give you the effect of being stitched. After that, remove its background and save it as a pattern from Edit option. After making it, we will open another document for us that will be the actual size of our embroidery. Mine is 5 by 5 inches. So I will create one document according to that. It's time to embroider our sequence. For this, I will use a heart shape that's available in the default shape because I suck at drawing hearts by hand. I will keep our shape a little smaller than the file and will fill it with black. I will tell you later why I did that. Now, this shape is a smart object, so we have to rasterize this first. Now go to Edit again and select Fill from here. After this, you will see a dialog box with some settings. Here, first we have Content. Ours is selected as pattern, but if yours is not, then go to pattern because we have saved our sequence as a pattern earlier. After this we have custom pattern. So if you have created your sequence a little earlier, then you can select that from here. We have created our sequence just now, so we don't have to go anywhere. Next we have script. So keep it ticked to customize the fill type. And about blending, we don't have to do anything. I am going to select brick fill here because I like bricks. Now you can customize your fill with some more details. Here we have pattern scale. So we are not going to change this because it will change the size of our sequence. Next we have spacing. So we can decide the gap between two sequences by sliding this. After this we have offset between row. It will decide the placement of two rows. Next one is color randomness. So to add some variations of color in sequence, you can use this slider. A little value isn't bad to give the effect of light reflection. So I will do that accordingly. Next is brightness. This will act as a tints and tones for our sequence. At last, we have pattern rotate angle. So you can set the angle for all by using it. I want it straight, so I don't need to change. After selecting everything, press OK. Oops! We did create an amazing sequence, but our edges are all cut. This won't do. We have to add sequence to the shape so that it can give a fuller effect and won't be cut. Press Ctrl while selecting the layer and right click over it to convert this selection into work path. After this, press OK and fill black color in the background and open your fill option again. This time we will select place along path to add a stroke of sequence. Now you will see the same options again, but some options are new. Adjust spacing to fit. It will set the spacing of sequence according to our size. Next we have angle for path. So set is as per your need. I will keep it at 90. Next we have distance from path. It will help us to decide how far or close our stroke should be from the actual path. Next we have scale progression, but this is useless for us since it will increase the size of our sequence. We don't need to change the rest. Our result is almost ready. This is what we want. Use select and from here open color range. Now we can remove the black color by the help of this. Just select each layer and press delete after this to clear black fill. This is the only reason why we filled black color from the beginning, since black is easy to remove for bright colors. Now all black color is removed even from the stroke layer. Now merge all the layer and export it as a PNG to keep it transparent. Now open Clo 3D. Here I have one draft for a pillow where I will add my embroidery. I will use graphic tool to do so. Now browse your graphic and add it over the pillow. You can learn about graphic and texture from the above video. I will adjust the size of this embroidery. Now we can change its type as well to plastic. After this we can add normal map. Well, we haven't created one, but we can use the slider to create one. Our outcome is ready. You can now change the color or other things of your project according to your need. Like we have these designs ready here. I would like to see your variations of sequence embroidery. Please do share it on our Facebook group or tag us through Instagram handle. So there you have it, a brief detail about how to create sequence embroidery in Clo 3D. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till then, keep learning and creating. Happy designing. Bye.